Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is Forex Quick Look, taking a look at the dollar versus Canada. If you were to look at the price range here, most of the price of the dollar versus Canada has been within this range right here. On the downside, we had support come in last week at the 38.2% retracement. That it was of this move from this low to this high right here. 38.2% retracement held nicely right near the 135 level, and we started to see a rotation back to the upside. It took one failed move above the 200-hour moving average to then get above that level on Wednesday's trade on the second attempt. And you can see on Friday's trade, or this is Thursday's trade, on Friday's trade the price came down, retested the 200-hour moving average, find support buyers against that level, and moved up to this swing area up through here, where the market peaked on Friday and peaked on here, and also peaked in Asian session here today. The price did rotate to the downside and breaking below this trend line, which had 1, 2, 3 different points on it, but could not sustain momentum and is now back above that trend line and also moved above the swing area here. So the buyers are trying to push this pair further to the upside. Admittedly, it would take a move back below the 200 and 100-hour moving averages to give the sellers more confidence on the downside. That's my risk level for this pair going forward. On the top side, we do have resistance up here near the 138.07 to 138.36 level. That's going to be our next target on the top side to get to and through. If we get through that level, the dollar versus Canada will be trading. I have to go to the weekly chart here. Would be trading at the highest level going back to this week, going back to May of 2020, with another target on the top side, looking near the highs here for the pair, near the 138.52 level. Get above that level, and it opens up the door into this the extremes for the dollar versus Canada that took place in the pandemic year, all the way up to 146.66. So it's kind of similar to what the Aussie versus US dollar is dealing with in our last video. The resistance up here, 138.52 for the dollar versus Canada on the weekly chart. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.